If I had to pick one crypto that I thought was going to weather the storm of the current downturn we're seeing in the market, it would be Luna. And today we're going to check in and see how it's been going since the market dip has occurred. Let's get into it. How's it going, guys? Ryan here and welcome back to another crypto video. Today we're taking another look at the Luna coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see Luna go in the near future. But before we get into all that good stuff, guys, please remember to leave a thumbs up if you do enjoy today's video. And of course, if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. We cover crypto, stocks, investing and wealth management. I'd also love to know your thoughts down in the comment section below on Luna, on Terra. Where do you think it's going to be by the end of 2021? But without any further ado, let's jump straight into today's analysis. Welcome into the Luna chart, guys. If you're looking to buy Luna or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. But the last time we took a look at Luna was right here on the 6th of December, and we'd clearly broken out of our upwards trading channel, but now we saw a little bit of a touch occur and we steeped back down into the trend. So overall, not too shabby. Currently sitting at a value of $59.11. It got down to a low on the current dip of a value of $51.84. Now, that's not too bad considering when you zoom out on the chart, it is exceeded expectations consistently. And when you see that, you know, we've just hit all-time highs recently, those all-time highs being that $78 value, we have performed very, very well. We haven't dipped as much as many other coins, and it looks like Luna could be the coin that is now starting to continue to perform. So really, really exciting stuff there. Now I'm just going to extend these out a little bit right here just so we get a better vibe basically of exactly where we're going to be within the coming few days, weeks and months. Of course, let's extend that out and start making some predictions. I've left the analysis from last week up, and as you can see, our 20-day moving average and our 50-day moving average are the most important points at this stage. You can see that yesterday on the 14th of December we bounced off the 50-day moving average, which at that time was sitting at $51.67. We've also now touched today our 20-day moving average, which is above it, sitting at $60.78. These are acting right now as our key support and resistance points. So support, the 50-day moving average, and the resistance, which we are trying to, it looks like, test once again today, is our 20-day moving average at $60.78. Now, I'm expecting us to continue trading within, though, these two current lines that we have here in the top end of our trading channel. Now, that's fine, and it means basically what we're probably going to see is a bit of action similar to this. We're going to be fluctuating up and down until eventually a breach does occur. And I suppose a good thing for us at this point in time is it doesn't look like the 20-day moving average or the 50-day moving average are going to cross over each other at any point in the near future. One thing also to note is our volume has slowly been decreasing, and that means we are probably starting to see the end of any dumping that may have been occurring due to panic selling and that sort of thing. So not too shabby overall, and I think compared to many other cryptos, we are looking very, very good at this point in time. From a, I suppose, support and resistance perspective, there's no point putting in place really any other lines. I mean, we are still within that channel. The technical factors have not changed in that regard. MACD wise, let's have a quick look at that one. You can see our MACD did cross, and that resulted us dipping into this channel once again, even though we had, you know, gotten out and exceeded it. But it looks like we could be potentially starting to see the ridge here start to flatten out a bit. We might see the selling dropping off, and we may see a cross in the near future, potentially before Christmas, but remains to be seen if buying momentum does come in from a volume perspective. The 12-day EMA and the 26-day EMA are still heading in a downwards direction. We're quite high up on the MACD chart, but as you can see, that is not something we are not used to. So overall, not looking too shabby. The highest it ever got to, which is pretty exciting, and it shows some real bullish potential for Luna in the long term, of course. So MACD, once again, wait for that cross to occur of the 12-day EMA above the 26-day EMA. That, in my opinion, is when the coin is going to ramp up quite a bit. RSI, always good to have a look at this as well. It is currently sitting smack bang in the middle at 51.24. When we did hit our all-time highs, we were in the overbought range as to be expected, hitting a peak of 74.54. But now we've got plenty of room to start moving in an upwards direction again. I'm expecting to see that buying volume start to come in and ensure that basically we do not breach currently this middle line that we're seeing here at 51.22 as the middle range of our channel. I don't think that's going to be breached, but you never know. It is trying times at the moment, and I do expect to see the crypto market to be relatively unstable for the next few weeks at least, so anything can happen. But if we're purely looking at Luna at this point in time is looking very, very good. What's my price target? Well, it's not actually going to be a target. What I expect to happen is simply we're going to be trading in this channel up and down, moving in this type of a direction unless something drastic happens in the crypto market. So realistically, this is what you can use if you're trying to trade, buy low, sell high if you are trading. If you're a long-term holder, try and buy the dips as best as possible when it comes close to those support points. That will be the key right now. That wraps up the Luna analysis for today. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section below. Do you think we're going to break out? Do you think we're going to break down? Or do you think what I'm thinking, we're going to just be trading within that channel in a slight incline with the price just fluctuating between our key points of resistance and support? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, if you did enjoy today's analysis as well, guys, remember to leave a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these sort of videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications. We cover crypto, stocks, investing, and wealth management. But I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.